Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a 3D triangle. So first of all, we're gonna set our canvas to the perfect size, and yeah. So you're gonna click the minus button once, and then after that drag it to the corner. Please do not touch the corner. And if you click the minus button once and these bars show up, and just the bar to the right, you just drag it all the way down, and the down bar, just drag it all the way to the right, and then just drag the canvas upwards and then back to the corner. Do not touch the corner, remember, and that's how you will get the perfect size canvas. Now let's start making the 3D what we're gonna 3D triangle. So first we're gonna get the triangles, and yeah, let's just put down triangles. So sorry, I'm just in a goofy mood, and just keep on putting triangles. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop. You know what, just one more, and yeah, I should probably stop and now start making a 3D triangle. Sorry about that. Yeah. So first we're gonna set down our triangle and just make the size you like. Just like, you can make it the size you like, and just get another triangle and put it inside the first triangle you put it now, and now you just have to repeat these steps over and over again. So I'm gonna fast forward this, so so this will not look very boring. So yeah. Okay, I'm on the final triangle. As you can see, it is really kind of hard to put it. And now we're just gonna paint it. You're gonna paint it all black. Just skip one triangle and then paint the other one. As you can see, it's really easy to do this. And comment down below if you feel this, like if it looks 3D to you, like it just making me dizzy. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this. This is my triangle. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon with another video, and bye. And of course, subscribe and like. Okay, bye.